Hi there, I'm Ryan, a technician at 4x4 AT here in Leeming Bar. Today I want to talk to you about dog boxes. As you can see, we have a wide selection. So all the dog boxes come flat backed and they're very easy to assemble. They're all lockable and do have 2 sets of keys per lock. You'll notice that they have bars. This is to allow as much airflow through the cage as possible. So if you do feel the need to put your windows all the way down, rest assured your dog's not going to be trying to get out of any windows. All of the cages are made from anodized aluminium as well as the floor. So if there's any mishaps, it's easily cleaned up. Singles, we have small, medium and large, and then onto the doubles, again we have small, medium and large. The double ones do have the added benefit of having a partition in the middle which is removable for an even bigger floor space for your canine if you choose to do that. However, the added benefit of having the divider is if you do have 2 dogs, you can keep them separate, and if you need to take one out, you just simply open the door and allow one to come out with that centre partition. The other one is not going to come out the same door. So just to illustrate the sizes for you better, I have Bramble here. She's a cockapoo and she fits fully into our smallest cage. I would recommend on longer journeys though that she'd probably be happier in a medium-sized cage, but you can see, so this is obviously dependent on your boo or the space that you have available. Small dog in a small cage. She has plenty of room in there. Now I'll just pop her into a medium-sized one. Come on, Bramble. As you can see, Bramble fits perfectly in our medium-sized cage as well as a smaller one, but again, she'd probably be happier on a longer journey in this cage if you have the space to facilitate it. I'm going to grab our Labrador now and show you our Labrador fitting into a medium-sized cage. So just as another size comparison, I have Bracken here, a Labrador. I'm just going to pop her into the medium-sized cage. So again, you can get an idea of that. So as you can see, she's comfortably sat down in a medium-sized cage. Again, I would recommend for longer journeys, she would probably be happier in a larger cage, but she does fit into a medium-sized cage perfectly. Again, this is obviously on the space that you have available as to which cage best suits the availability that you have and the needs for your canine. So I'll just move her over to the large. So the Bracken now in a larger cage. Again, she has much more room, but yeah, you can see she's perfectly happy in a medium or a large. So finally, I'll just demonstrate the double cages that we have available. I do want to say that with the double cages, there is a partition. This can be removed if you want your dog to have more space, or if you do have 2 dogs, then you can leave that partition in. But I should just grab Bracken out of here. I'll take her over to the largest one that we have. So I'll just grab Bramble and pop her in the other side. Now you can see from this picture that we have our smallest dog and our largest in our largest cage available. Again, if you wanted to, you can take the middle partition out to make one big cage. Just depends on what's best for yourself as well as what's best for your canine. So as you can see, we have various sizes for various dogs and various vehicles. With that being said, if you require further information on sizes, please visit the website where the specs are there available for you. Thank you for watching.